guys, this is Miss Tran. Thank you for coming back to Tran Time Online. We are going to do another science experiment. So these are the things that you'll need for a soda can implosion. What? A soda can implosion. This is what you need. An aluminum can that's empty. You'll need a bowl of water, a gas stove with a pan, and some tongs. So let's get the setup going. With your empty aluminum soda can, you're going to be filling only just a little bit with water from your sink. Just a little bit so you can hear it. Next, you're going to get a bowl. It can be a glass bowl, plastic bowl. I'm using this bowl. And you're going to fill it up to about halfway with water. That's about halfway. Next, you're going to go to your stove and you're going to get your pan ready. And you're going to put your aluminum can onto the pan, like so. Then you're going to be turning the stove on so that you leave it on there until the water starts to boil, and then you'll see steam at the top. This is where you're going to need some adult supervision. And since I'm a scientist, I've got my trusty safety goggles to protect me just in case something happens. When you're protected and you're ready to go, turn your stove on. And wait until the water starts to boil, and then you should see steam coming out of the aluminum can. Just make sure that when you're working near a stove, you've got adult supervision, you're protecting your eyes, and make sure that the stove is going to be at a medium high to high level. It usually takes water about 4 minutes for it to boil. So the less water that you have in your aluminum can, the faster it will get to boil. So I'm starting to hear some little bubbles from my can, so any minute now, we're going to start to have some steam rising from my aluminum can. You're standing by with adult supervision. As you can hear, it's starting to boil. So when you hear that sound, you're almost done with the boiling. So what Ms. Tran is going to do, I'm going to wait a maximum of 1 minute. Make sure it's not boiling too much. And then I'm going to get my tongs. And I'm going to grab the can with my tongs. And I'm going to submerge it as quickly as I can without hurting myself into the bowl of water. Now the bowl of water is cold, so there's going to be some interaction. What happens when you take a boiling can, aluminum can, and you place that into a cold bowl of water? You're going to be seeing that in a few moments. I just want more bubbles. Plus I got crazy hair sticking up. Perfect for a scientist. Also, never put your face directly over a stove. That can be quite dangerous. Again, parental supervision is required for this experiment, just so that you don't get hurt. All right, it's time. So before you take your can off of the stove, make sure you turn it off. That's very important. So I'm going to turn my stove off. Grab my tongs really quickly. Go, go, go. Oh gosh. Ready? In 3, 2. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that. It's got a dent and everything. Do the second time. So, part 2. Woohoo! See? It's boiling. Turn it off. And this time I'm going to put it upside down because I felt like last time I was not putting it upside down. Okay. Get the perfect angle. Ready? Oh, it's even better when you put it upside down. Look. And then all that water comes out because when you put the can inside the bowl of water, it actually acts like a vacuum. It sucks up all the water from the surface and it rushes into the can, and then when you pour it out, a lot more comes out of it than what you put in the beginning. But look at that. It was even more effective. So, pro tip, put it upside down into the bowl. It'll be more dramatic and the damage will be even greater. You can even compare the two. This was the first can. Not that, still effective, not that, damaged. This one though, pretty good. Hehehe.